Welcome to Adventure Days.
Welcome to Adventure Days, kids. I'm back here again today with Angelo
And
and Mio. M-I-O. And what are we going to do today, guys?
We're gonna make cookies.
Some chocolate chip cookies made from things you might just have at home already. So let's get started. Okay, we are going to go over all the ingredients we have right now with Angelo. What do we have here? Almond butter.
And I forgot this one.
Baking soda.
Baking soda and brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
1 egg.
1 egg.
And chocolate chips.
And chocolate chips. Let's do this thing. Are we ready? Angelo's going to crack this egg.
I got it.
I'm going to get this party started. There we go.
Look it.
Careful, Mio. Here we go. Did you crack it? Oh, oops, that's all right, kids. We made a little bit of a mess. Let's get all that shut out. Okay, kids, Angelo just cracked this egg right into the bowl, and we are going to put the brown sugar in. By Mio. Go ahead, Mio. Pour it in nice and easy.
Put it in there.
Please. Very good.
Now
We're going to start stirring it around. Let me get the other ingredient. Okay, guys, we got the almond butter coming on in here. Thank you, Mio. Scoop that out. So far we have 1 cup of brown sugar. Oh, man, here we go. Okay, kids, so far we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of almond butter, and we actually have cinnamon almond butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, and now we're adding the chocolate chips. Go ahead, Mio.
Okay.
Go ahead, pour in the chocolate chips.
Okay.
Very good. And let's stir it up. Guys, we got all the ingredients in there and we're stirring it up nice and good. Give it a good stir, Mio. Or not. He likes the almond butter too much. And Angelo's doing a great job. Let me see you stir it around.
Here's how I do.
Oh, a special style. And we're ready to put these guys on our baking sheet and in the oven.
So guys, we got 9 here plus 4 equals 13, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven. So bye.
We're gonna pop these guys in the oven.
And after that, we can show them to you after.
That's right.
So guys, here's our cookies comes out. Pretty good. They look like oatmeal a little bit, right? Looks pretty oatmeal-y. Let's test them out.
How are they?
Good.
Pretty good. We popped them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let them cool down. And what does the taste test say? Thumbs up. All right. Have a good day, kids.
And subscribe and hit that thumbs up.